Green tea is one of the healthiest beverages we can drink and has been consumed for more than centuries for its amazing health benefits. One of these benefits includes its unique ability to help support healthy weight and weight loss. Of course, this should be balanced with a well-rounded diet and regular exercise, but studies show how regular green tea consumption can enhance weight loss specifically. Making your own green tea at home is very simple, and there are many great products that you can purchase for a great price, as green tea is found within most grocery stores, markets, or health food stores. You can use a loose leaf green tea or purchase tea bags. Both will help to enhance weight loss. To make one serving, simply add 1 tea bag into a cup and boil 1.5 to 2 cups of water. Once boiled, let cool for a minute and then combine the water and green tea, letting simmer for about 5 minutes or around 10 minutes for more medicinal benefits. If using loose leaf green tea, the process is repeated using 2 to 4 teaspoons of green tea leaves, but you must strain before consuming. You can add other healthy ingredients to green tea as well, such as turmeric, cinnamon, or lemon juice. Green tea is one of the most studied drinks, and many of these studies have demonstrated the benefits green tea can have on weight loss. First, green tea can increase our metabolic rate for a short time after consumption, which allows us to burn more calories throughout the day, which can lead to fat and weight loss. In fact, several studies show that green tea can specifically help at reducing fat around the abdominal area. Green tea can also help our bodies to take fatty acids from fat tissue and use them as energy. This not only allows for increased fat burning and weight loss, but can also increase physical performance when working out, which can improve workouts and sustain workout intensity, allowing for increased calories to be burned. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.